What is up, guys? Rob here, Bob Evans Classics. Guys, take a look at this 1970 Plymouth Duster, but it's actually a Valent. Car runs and drives excellent. I got over $40,000 in receipts on this car. Client did full bodywork paint, crazy plum purple, beautiful color. It's got these radial BF Goodrich tires and beautiful Keystone wheels. It's got the blacked out grills on both sides, which is nice, kind of like a resto mod. I like the look they did with it. The car's definitely straight. Look at that beautiful driver's side straight, passenger side's great, nice and straight body lines on this. Interior's in great shape. It's got upgraded seats front and back, carpet's in good shape, dash pad showing 55,000 miles on it, headliner's in good shape, undercarriage is beautiful. Known flaws. When we go through this car and we walk it around, there's not many flaws at all, to be completely honest with you. As I walk this car, I don't see any scratches on it. I don't see any blemishes in the paint. It's not a perfect paint job, probably about an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9. You could see a little bit when they painted it. You can see a little bit in the clear coat, like a little drip, not a drip, but like a little spot in the clear coat there, but very, very minor. You really can't see it, to be honest with you. I don't see any major flaws that stick out, or scratches, or dings, or dents. Just a car that's ready to go. Tires are brand new. Maybe like this is what I'm talking about in the clear. You can see a little bit in the clear there. A few baby little spots, but nothing that's really noticeable, to be completely honest with you. Okay, so you got a 360 here. This engine's been gone through. You have power brakes, and then you got electronic steering, which is pretty cool. A little bit different from normal power steering. But yeah, all this was done. It's got a nice carburetor on it. Looks like a new alternator, upgraded radiator, optimal battery here. Let's see what carburetor it's got on it. Okay, so you got a Summit carb on it, 4-barrel. It's clean. Clean up on top, clean underneath. Still got PA and safety inspection on it. Overall nice car. We'll fire it up. We have a nice tach here that shows RPM. We have oil PSI here, voltage, and then temperature sensor there. And all that works. Showing we have a half a tank of gas, and we did put gas in it, so that's working. Listen to that exhaust in the back. Sounds real good. We'll check the turn signal real quick. Left turn signal's working. Lights work. Lights are turning out. Alright guys, let's head to our test drive and we'll see how it drives. Alright guys, we're going to test drive. We're actually going to FedEx, drop off of FedEx, so we're going a little bit longer test drive than normal. And we'll just enjoy it. I love the rumble of the exhaust. The exhaust sounds great. And I like that it's not overpowering. Where, I mean, some of these classic cars, they're so loud that you can't really, I mean, you can enjoy them, but they're not fun cruisers. Just because they're so loud, they're so radical. You know, some guys like that. I like medium of the road. I like a nice cruiser where it drives great, but I also like something that sounds good. And I think this checks both boxes. It's kind of equal in both parts. It looks good, it drives good. So you can cruise it and enjoy it. You can also get on it and spin some rubber. I do like about this one is, because some of these older cars, when you get up on them, they'll spin tires, and some won't. Some will just, the way they're geared, unless you throw it low, you're not going to be spinning. This, you can really spin the tires, but it's also not super aggressive where you're super high geared up. So I like this car a lot. Suspension good, handles the road good. Looks like the speedometer's working fine. We're going about 40 miles an hour. It's not pulling or anything. Seems to go nice and straight. Not bad at all. What I like is also it's a floor shift car. We're going to go ahead and try the brakes and make sure that it stops good. Oh yeah, stops great. And I didn't even slam on them or anything. We'll check the suspension up here. Handle that bump really good. We got a nice big bump coming up here. We'll see if there's any noises or anything. Not held that great. Yeah guys, this is a perfect driver. Perfect looker, perfect driver, ready for a new home. You can go on our website, bobevansclassics.com, and you can finance this car 3-4 grand down, a couple $100 a month. Credit score of 620. We offer free shipping anywhere in the United States, lower 48. It excludes Hawaii, obviously, and Alaska, but anywhere in lower 48, I will have my team get this directly to you guys. You guys checking out our page. God bless the USA.